since this is talking about from the start and when she was born, that makes me think it's saying that she's always loved animals, even from a young age. Let's see what our answer choices show. Jane wanted to have a chimpanzee as a pet. I don't remember it saying that in the story. Jane had a love of animals ever since she was little. Okay, that makes me think of what I read. Jane dreamed of living in Africa with the apes. That doesn't really tell me from the start. Jane learned to talk to the animals. That one wasn't really in that part of the story. So best answer here is she had a love of animals ever since she was little. So when it's talking about her childhood and even when she was born, she loved animals from the start. Means she had a love for animals ever since she was little. Number 3, which words help the reader understand the meaning of observe as used in paragraph 4? So observe. Let's go to paragraph 4. 3 years later, Leakey asked Jane to go to the Gombe National Park in Tanzania to observe and study the chimpanzees that live there. So I'm noticing it says observe and study. So I'm thinking those words are connected. What is she doing with the chimpanzees? She's observing and studying them. Let's see what our choices say. So which words help the reader understand the meaning of observe as used in paragraph 4? A, watch the chimps. B, come near her. C, patient as she had been. D, waited and waited. So observe, remember it said observe and study. To me, that makes sense to say she was observing or watching the chimps. These other answers don't match what we just read, that she was observing or studying. Observe doesn't mean to go near them, just means she's watching them. Patient as she had been, that one doesn't really make sense. Waited and waited, same thing here. We didn't really read about that in that particular part. Okay? So I've answered questions 1, 2, and 3. I want you to finish by answering questions 4 and 5 on your own today. So again, your job is to answer questions 4 and 5 based on the story. We've done 1 through 3 together. Remember to read the question, but then go back into the story to find how the word's being used in the story. Try your best. I know you can do it.